Good morning, students. Today in this session, we are going to learn about when do liquids conduct electricity. Children, we have discussed about in our previous class, and we observed that distilled water does not conduct electricity. Then, how we can make poor conductors like distilled water to conduct electricity? For this, a small activity we can do. Take some amount of distilled water in three different containers. My children, here three different containers I drawn here. Takes a small amount of distilled water in three containers and dissolve a small quantity of sodium chloride in first container, and then dissolve copper sulfate substance. The common name of copper sulfate is Mylithutham. Should be dissolved in second container, and then lemon juice in third container. And use the tester that we used in your previous activity and note your observations. Let us see that distilled water, does the LED glow or not? No, because distilled water is a bad conductor of electricity. Second one, distilled water plus salt. Does the LED glows or not? Yes, good conductor of electricity. Third one, distilled water plus copper sulfate. Yes, good conductor of electricity. Distilled water plus lemon juice. Yes, good conductor of electricity. So from this table, we can infer that distilled water does not allow the electric current to pass, but water in its pure form is a bad conductor of electricity. But when water contains salts of acids, it allows passage of electric current and turns into a good conductor of electricity. So, my dear children, the water that we get from different sources such as taps, hand pumps, wells, ponds, rivers, etc., is not pure like distilled water. It contains some salts and minerals dissolved in it. Some of these minerals are useful for our health. This water is a good conductor of electricity because it contains salts like minerals. On the other hand, distilled water is free of all salts, minerals, acids, etc., and is a poor conductor of electricity. But in distilled water, all these things will not be available. Salts, acids, minerals, etc., these are not available in distilled water. But whereas the water which we collected from taps, wells, rivers, ponds, etc., contains some salts and minerals dissolved in it, and some of these minerals are useful for our health, and this water is a good conductor of electricity. My dear children, do you now understand why you are advised to not touch electric appliances with wet hands? Yes, our elders will advise us not to touch electrical wires with our wet hands because water with salts is a good conductor of electricity and the current flowing through houses, whole electric appliances is very high. Therefore, we should never touch electrical appliances with the wet hands because water is a good conductor of electricity. And the current passing to the houses, whole electrical appliances is very high. Therefore, we should never touch the electrical appliances with the wet hands. So, like water in the above activity, most liquids that conduct electricity are solutions of acids, bases, and salts. And chemical effect of electric current. What is the chemical effect of electric current, my dear children? Let's see. If solutions of different salts and acids conduct electricity, what do vegetables and fruits Let us try to find that out. Testing the effect of electric current in potato. You know, my dear children, potato, everybody knows about the potato. Take a potato, cut it into two halves and take one half of it. Two halves, make two halves. Take one half of it, construct tester with LED bulbs as shown in the figure. Insert two copper wires of tester into the potato, leaving some distance around 1 centimeters between them as shown in the figure 4. Now see that does the LED glow. Leave the inserted wires for 20 to 30 meters distance. Now what do you observe on the surface of the potato? We can observe, children, a greenish blue spot is seen on the potato around the wire, connected to the positive terminal of the battery, but no such spot is seen around the other wire connected to the negative terminal of the battery. This greenish spot is due to chemical change in the potato. What could be the cause behind this change? Will other vegetables also show such an effect? Try it out with vegetables like carrot, beetroot, cucumber, radish, brinjals, sweet potato, etc. Children, here potato act as a good conductor of electricity, because whenever a two copper wires are inserted which are connected to the battery, a greenish blue spot is seen on the potato around the wire connected to the positive terminal of the battery, but no such spot is seen around the other wire connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So because of this, your LED also glows when two copper wires are inserted into the potato. So by this we can say that even some vegetables also act as a good conductor of electricity, because most of the vegetable contains maximum amount of water in it. Maximum amount of water in it. Because of this reason, they act as a good conductor of electricity. So children, in next class we can learn about electric cell, how we can make electric cell, what are the materials required, how it functions, all the things we can learn in next class. Thank you and have a nice day.